friends and furballs, and welcome to the Super Snuggly Sports Spectacular! I'm Sky.
And I'm Zuma, your host for this year's Possum event.
It's time to get wild as our animal friends come out to play in some super sporting events.
Ready? Then let's dive in and let the games begin. Amazing job! We sweated through all the sports together. Choose a sport to play again. Soccer Showdown!
Play! The Catastrophe crew has challenged the Paw Patrol to a game of soccer. Marshall needs you for his team to score more goals than the kittens and win the game.
Press the up arrow on your keyboard to help Marshall dribble the ball up the field. Use the up and down arrow keys on your keyboard to help Marshall avoid things in his way.
Ooh, that's gonna slow up our pup.
Watch out for kittens. If a kitten touches the ball, they will get it and score a goal.
Paw Patrol is on a soccer ball roll. Now let's play.
Both teams ready? When Marshall gets to the net, tap the spacebar to kick the ball.
All right! Awesome teamwork! The Paw Patrol is in the lead! Oh!
Goal! Marshall scores!
The Paw Patrol is in the lead! Oh! Watch those kittens! They'll try to steal the ball and score! The Paw Patrol is in the lead! Oh! Score one for Team Paw Patrol! The Paw Patrol is in the lead! Oh! All right! Awesome teamwork! The Paw Patrol is in the lead! Oh! Whoa!
Goal! Marshall scores! The Paw Patrol wins! Perfect moves!
Looks like you and Marshall earned a soccer trophy!
Next. Amazing job! We sweated through all the sports together. Choose a sport to play again. Hurdle hop.
Play! Get ready to hop into action with the hurdle hop! Bubble Puppy is ready for a fantastic race!
To help Bubble Puppy hop a hurdle, press the space bar.
Swim-sational!
All right, you're ready to swim it.
On your mark, get set, go! Awesome jump! Puppy Hop.
Next. Amazing job! We sweated through all the sports together. Choose a sport to play again. Jungle Rumble.
Play! Ladybugs and gentle mice, welcome to Jungle Rumble, where we'll see if Stripes the tiger truck can race his way through a tough obstacle course.
Will you help him avoid things in his way? To help Stripes jump, press the spacebar on your keyboard.
Nice! Drive through golden tires to collect as many as you can.
Drive over ramps to collect even more golden tires.
Now that's a tiger leap.
Watch out for things on the road. They'll slow Stripes down.
Rev up and roll out. 3, 2, 1, go!
Tire-rific!
Look at Stripes take that jump.
Wahoo! You got a tire. Tire-rific! You got a tire.
Now that's a sky-high jump.
Tire-rific!
Check out that tiger leap.
You got a tire. Wahoo! Tire-rific! Wahoo! You got a tire.
Look at Stripes take that jump.
Tire-rific! What an amazing race! And look how many tires you helped Stripes collect. Next. Amazing job! We sweated through all the sports together. Choose a volleyball face-off.
Play! Bump, set, and spike the ball over the net to win the match.
It's Gibbon versus Kitten. Monkey versus Tiger. 2 hands versus 4 paws. Are we ready? We need to move Tala so she's under the volleyball. Then she can hit it back to Nahal. Help move Tala across the court by pressing the right. Help move Tala across. Nice monkey moves.
When Nahal hits the ball over the net, help Tala move under the ball to hit it back.
Go team! Possum!
Okay, Genie Pets, let's play some volleyball. Whoever scores 5 points wins. Nice return by Nahal.
Way to get under the ball! Bump, set, spike, score!
Tala's not monkeying around. She's in it to win it.
Boom, Zarme! What a great play! Bump, set, spike, Zarme! What a great play!